New hair, what do you think? I am loving this Lilac. Hi, my name is Luciana. Welcome to my channel, Thank You Very Blush, where I talk about makeup, skincare, nails, and anything beauty related. So make sure to subscribe if you enjoy that kind of content and if you want to see more of this funky hair. I have a second channel, which is actually my first channel, Loquacious Lucy, where I talk about motherhood. So, you know, whatever floats your boat, whichever content you're interested in, you can subscribe to both channels or just to this one. Anyway, today I want to take you on my hair transformation journey. It's just today. Because I went to Tel Aviv today to get my hair cut and do some intensive treatment, you know, to bring the life back to my hair with my favorite hairdresser, Maristela. She's the one who did my first, you know, blonde streaks hair that I have the video up on my first channel, Loquacious Lucy. She's also Brazilian, living here in Israel, and she has her own salon at home. And my initial idea wasn't to get out of there with the lilac hair, but because I was already planning to do this, you know, to dye my hair this color, I brought to Maristela, you know, the hair mask, which is a color depositing hydration mask from Moroccanoil, this one over here. Because I wanted to ask her, you know, how can I use it, you know, properly so I wouldn't fuck up my hair. So I'm like, I better ask the professional because I might do something wrong at home.
Okay, I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the motherfucker in the house bored, and I'm bored in the motherfucker in the house bored. Bored in the house.
Anyway, so I just wanted to take you with me on this hair caring day. So let's get to it. The first thing we did was, you know, talking about the current state of my hair. My hair was very like stiff because the day before I used a lot of hairspray on my hair when I did a ponytail. So yeah, my hair was like really like. So we talked about what I wanted to do, which was, you know, just get a haircut. And when I made the appointment, we discussed also doing a hair mask, you know, a moisturizing hair mask treatment with the ampoules because my hair really needed. It was like, yeah, Luciana, you've been slacking with your capillary schedule, huh? So after we discussed what we wanted to do with the hair, the next appointment, you know, what we're gonna do with the blonde and all of that, then she took me to wash the hair and start with the intensive moisturizing treatment, which we did in her shower because that's the hair washing area. I stayed a couple of minutes with the, I don't know how to call this in English, sorry, touca térmica, thermal cap, that's what Google said. So I stayed a few minutes with that. I think it was like 10-15 minutes. I don't know, I was talking so much that I didn't notice the time passing. And then while I had this thermal cap on my hair, we were talking about how could I do the lilac hair at home. So I showed her the Moroccanoil color depositing mask, and she already knew this because she used to do the rose gold one on her hair and she loves it, so that made me feel really good, like I bought a good product. So I told her I didn't want a color that's too strong, right? I want like a light lilac. And I saw a girl from a different YouTube channel where she was showing, you know, it was like a review of this product, and she was explaining that she diluted it with her conditioner so she could get a lighter shade. So I told Maristela maybe we should try that first to see how strong the color is. So she started checking on Instagram how this color looks like on bleached hair. She showed me a couple of examples, one that looked like really dark and another one that looks really soft. And she was really kind also to dilute the lilac hair mask with some of her Olaplex products, which also helps, you know, keeping the blonde, the bleached area healthy. Thank you, Maristela, for that. I really appreciate the extra product that you gave me. Once the hair heating session was done, we went back to wash the hair and apply the lilac color. And here I am with lilac hair. It always looks darker when the hair is wet, but after you dry the hair, it gets softer. And then it was time for the haircut. She already knows what I like. Just trim the ends, keep the length because I like my hair long. But then I asked her to, you know, spice things up a little bit, you know, to make layers because I like to use my Dyson Airwrap to curl my hair. And it looks nicer when you have layers, you know, it gives more volume, which is what I'm going for these days because I have very little hair also. This is all my hair, basically. So any volume is welcome. And after the haircut, she blow dry my hair, make it look pretty, you know, so we can see the haircut, how it looks like, so we can see the color as well, how it looks dry. And it looks so beautiful. I love it. And she also loved as well. She said it looked better than my blonde one.
Please ignore the roots. I know I need to cover them.
Ai, já ficou lindo.
Ficou bonito.
É, você gostou?
Amei.
Ai,
Achei que ficou mais bonito que o loiro. Combina mais com a cor, que tal, seu cabelo.
And you gotta appreciate an honest hairdresser. And it's true, it does look better because my undertone is neutral, but I also tend to enjoy more like cool tone things, right? I don't use yellow gold, and I also don't look good with warm colors.
I can do better than that.
Cool toned down colors is more my thing. Anyway, I love this hair. Isn't it pretty? Muito obrigada, Maristela, pelo cabelo lindo que você fez. É sempre um prazer. If you ever come to visit Tel Aviv, I'm gonna leave Maristela's Instagram in the description box below. If you would like to contact her, maybe get your hair done. Thanks so much for being here. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends who maybe are interested in getting lilac hair. And as the mantra of this channel, thank you very blush, if you can only get one makeup product, choose a blush, because blushy cheeks and rosy lips are all you need to enhance your natural beauty. That's so cheesy. Anyway, thank you again for being here, and I'll see you next Thursday. Bye! Oh, I got Snoop's hair on my eye. Ugh. Like his hair is just like flying in the air and then just lands on your lashes, and then that's it, it's game over. Oh, your bony leg. Oof. Alright, I'm gonna go. Better? That's better. Bye!